your mathematics teacher. I warmly welcome you all on the platform of digital academics provided by Moonlight International College. Today my topic is real life situations involving subtraction of fractions. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve real life situations involving subtraction of two fractions with different denominators. Now, as you know that we are solving real life situations, so we must have some kind of real life words which will tell us that which operation we are going to use. So subtraction keywords are over here. How many more? Decrease, less than, take away, minus, difference, left, remains, ER words, that these are larger, fewer, longer, faster, subtract, and finally we have how much more. So these are the words which are going to tell you that these fractions, whatever fractions are given, need to be subtracted or what. Okay, so I'm going to tell you how to solve the word problem or real life situation in steps. The steps are divided by me with this method which is called Huber's method. C over here stands for, stands for circle the numbers. U stands for underline the keywords. B stands for box the question. E stands for evaluate the operation. R stands for rephrase the statements. And finally, S stands for solve in steps. So remember to solve your word problem in steps. Do not write the answer directly. Okay, this is a very harmful thing for you guys. Okay, so right now I'm going to solve one example for you. The example over here is a carpenter made a wooden cupboard by using 11 hole 2 by 5 pieces of wood out of 13 hole 1 by 4 pieces. How many pieces of wood are left? Okay, so this is the word problem, a real life situation. So I have to solve it. So right now I'm going to circle the number according to the Huber's method. The numbers are in figures or in fractions. These are 11 whole 2 by 5, 13 whole 1 by 4. So do circle them. Then U stands for underline the keywords. Over here are carpenter, wooden, cupboard, and pieces, wood pieces, and how many, very important thing, left. Yes, left is very important word for you guys. Now, my dear students, we are going to box the question. For B stands for box the question, right? So box the question over here starts from how many pieces of wood are left. So box them. So right now I have to solve the question by rephrasing, because first thing I have to evaluate the operation. E stands for evaluate the operation. From the word, this word left is telling me that this is subtraction word problem. So I have to do subtraction of what? The fractions, given fractions. Okay, right now R stands for rephrase the statement. So I'm going to rephrase the statement. Then finally S stands for solve the question or the word problem in steps. Do remember to solve the word problems in steps. Okay, so the first statement will be total wood is equals to, how many total wood is there? 13 whole 1 by 4. Okay, so how many the things over here? I just want to tell you one more thing. I'm going to change this mixed number into improper fraction in this step. This depends upon you. If you want to change in the next step, final step, by adding them, and we are going to add them together, you can add them at that time as well. That will also be fine. So 4 13s are 52 and plus 1 is 53 by 4. Now my second statement is wood used. How many wood is used? Yes, 11 whole 2 by 3. So again, I am going to convert it into improper fraction. 55, 5 11s are 55. 55 plus 2 is 57. 57 by 5 is my next fraction, improper fraction. Okay, so just check it out that what will be the last statement, which is wood left. Very simple and easy, is equals to 53 by 4 minus 57 by 5. This is the thing which I need to do. And you know that the denominators over here are not same. So you are going to take the LCM to find out which common denominator will be over here. So right now I'm going to take LCM of the numbers 4 and 5, which are the denominators. So 2 2s are 4, yes, and 5 will come as it is. Now again, by dividing these with 2 number, so 2 ones are 2 and 5 will come as it is. Now 5 will be there outside, so 1 will come as it is and 5 ones are 5. Now LCM. What is LCM? LCM is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Okay, so 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So this is my common denominator. I'm going to make them equivalent fractions with the denominators 20. You remember that. So 53 is my first, 53 by 4 is my first fraction. 53 by 4, 4. Check the number 4. This number 4, 5 4s are 20. So I'm going to multiply numerators and denominator both by the number 5. Okay, so 53 multiplied by 5 is 265. And 4 5s are 20. You already know that. Now my next fraction is 57 by 5. And you know that we are going to check the denominator, which is 5. So 5 4s are 20. Multiply numerator and denominator both by the number 4. So I will have 57 multiplied by 4 is 228 and 5 4s are 20. So what to do? I will write 265 by 20 first and then I will write 228 by 20 after that. So 265 minus 228 by subtracting the numerators and denominator will come as it is. So 20 will come down as it is. Now 265 minus 228 is 37. 37 by 20 is my answer. And this is the lowest form because no more divisibility is possible, no more cutting is possible, and this is not an improper fraction, this is a proper fraction, so we cannot write it down into mixed number. So this is my final answer because my first number, the numerator number, is a prime number. 37 is a prime number, so that is why we are unable to do any kind of cutting, and this is the simplest form and my final answer. So I can write my final statement as wood pieces left is equals to 37 by 20, or I will write it down wood pieces left is 37 by 20. This is my final answer. Hope the whole word problem is clear to you guys. We'll get back to you with more interesting concepts of mathematics. Till then, you need to take care of yourself as well as your family. Allah Hafiz.